beats Munib Ali behind the stumps. 4 leg byes. We added to the Ireland tally. Good start, 18 off 9.
Well, the shoulder's slumping a little bit from Pakistan. They need to try and keep the heads up because they put plenty of runs on the board. But nicely ridden here from Amy Hunter. Just stayed inside the line of the ball. Didn't manage bad on it, but got it fine enough to beat that 45 fielder.
Well, he has brought in the fielder at 45. Brought her in very tight now. Ball's a little straighter. Munib Ali, very quick reactions for the keeper. Glove off and down and to her right quickly. Excellent footwork from the wicket keeper. Diana Begg is the kind of cricketer, though, you don't mind having in difficult situations because she has the uncanny ability to work things out and adapt, which is not always something you see from individuals, sometimes instructed by captains or those around them. And fires it in at the legs of Hunter, gets a thickish inside edge. We'll take 2.
Had 2 all the way, wasn't it? Just the pockets there in the corners, quite big. You need to be running your 2s there. Ireland know this ground pretty well. They've played a number of T20 internationals the last couple of years, faced England here in 2024, Pakistan here as well last August, and it's a ground they like playing at. They haven't chased down a total quite as big as this, though. 168 Pakistan got in the second one of those T20s.
Tied in down leg, catches nothing, and that'll be wide ball. Diana Begg, I think one of the reasons she's able to work things out so well, she's absolute sports obsessed, multi-talented athlete as well. I know she was a very fine competitor